Hi, I'm Tom. Welcome to Worcester Small Order. I'm going to show you around our 22-ton road towable Venom log splitter. It's powered with a 6.5 horsepower Vanguard Briggs & Stratton engine. It's got a 22-ton splitting ram with a 2-lever safety system, so you have to pull down both levers to get the ram to actuate. It's got a 5-litre fuel tank. Fill it with petrol. It'll always come full. It's very simple to use. Down here you've got a choke in the grey one, so the choke needs to go across for on, and then you've got an ignition and throttle all in one. So at the minute it's in the stop position. When you want to start it, you can rev it flat out or just past the stop. So the choke is on. Okay, so you can use it in 2 positions, as it is now, or you can stand it upright. And to stand it upright, you've got this little lever here. You just pull this lever and then just lift it up. It's well balanced. Then you can stand the machine upright and use in that position if you prefer. If you've got heavier logs, sometimes it's easier to drag them on. Then you can just work the ram with these 2 levers here. Down, up, and let go and it'll stop. I'll start by doing it in the flat position. There we go. Just pull this out and lock it in. So I'll come around this side. Choke is on. It's just past the stop. I'll just turn the choke off. So it'll work as it is now in idle, but it'll be really slow. So if you rev it, the minute it's revving flat out, I'll come around this side. To work the lever with the 2 levers, just pull them back to me and the ram will go in. And then reverse it. So I'll put the log on and I'll show you it in the horizontal way to start with. Get the log lined up where I need it to be. Then with the 2 levers, and I'll pull the ram back, and then I'll use it in the flat position as well. I'll just take these bits of wood off. I'll turn it off, click it forwards. So I'll just lift it up to the other position. Oh, bear with me, come on this side. Pull the lever out, stand it up. And I'll turn it off, and then click it into the stop position, and then I'll lay it back down flat. Just pull it down, pull out the little safety, and it's locked, ready for road transport mode. If you don't want to have it on your tow ball, just pull this latch back, lift it up, and then you'll be able to wiggle this out, and then you can also run it this way. Thank you for watching.